understands me the way you do, 'cause understanding is an overstatement. Praying for patience to take over me, seeking your ways of acquaintance to be more blatant, be more spacious. It was an act of your greatness, a little depressed, but your laugh was contagious. I see we're one and the same, that correlates to our relation. Gave all the love you had, and you were the one left vacant. Those times when I was faded and I called you for a cadence, all those times we cried each other's safe haven. You lived through your hiatus. You were always amazing with your sixth sense. You always had me in suspense on what you were gonna do next. Showed how life can be fucking intense, from your past tense to your pretense. Told me to light some sage, burn some incense, smoke a spliff, and then tell me your defense. How you gave everything. The extent of your happiness was your expense. The story the same, you just wanted your kids to progress. And for us, you would always protest. With us, you had no regrets. To see you oppressed and able to get up had me impressed. Not a damn thing you wouldn't invest, even when you became upset. For that I became obsessed. And I promise I will always manifest. I promise I understand your footsteps. Love you, mama. See you when the sun sets.